The different types of lead generation. Leads may be generated for diverse purposes including electronic mailing list acquisition, targeted email list build-up or specific sales leads. Leads are used to obtain new clients and retain existing ones. Lead generation techniques include the use of personal or professional connections, referrals, trade shows, seminars, and newsletters. It is also possible to generate qualified lead generation through advertising. Leads are also useful for the sales management of internal cross-sells. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about the different types of lead generation. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand. So for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Leads are necessary for successful sales to lead generation. Without leads, there cannot be any sale because no matter how hard a marketer tries, no one will potentially interested in what he has to offer. The key to lead generation success is in developing a relationship with potential clients and then maintaining that relationship throughout the sales process. It is not uncommon for marketers to pay substantial amounts of money for leads. However, there are a number of ways to generate leads without paying for this service. A good source for leads is an organization that deals directly with people interested in buying or selling something. These lead generation companies generally have database lists that contain contact information for people who have expressed an interest in selling. It is also common for lead generation companies to have opt-in lists, which allows individuals to give their contact information so that the companies can add them to their database. There are advantages to both methods. However, one of the most common reasons why marketers pay for leads is so that they have access to demographics and other information about potential customers. One of the most popular ways for online marketers to create lead generation lists is by participating in social networks. The most popular forms of social networking websites include Twitter and Facebook. Target audience even if they do not have time to dedicate to building up a lead list. Many social networks allow marketers to customize the appearance and format of their advertisements, which makes it easier for a marketer to make sure that his or her advertisement looks the way that he or she intended. Other ways to increase lead generation efficiency are through marketing via the Internet. Internet marketing is one of the most effective methods of lead generation available, as long as the company knows how to approach the consumer interest. To begin with, Internet marketing works because consumers can quickly and easily access a large database of prospective buyers or sellers. This database contains all kinds of information, including product specifications, descriptions, pricing, and more. The key to Internet marketing is being able to provide interesting and enticing information to potential consumers, while also ensuring that they will take action. Another way to increase lead generation efficiency is through cold calling, also known as lead sourcing. Cold calling involves contacting targeted prospective customers on behalf of a lead generation company, often by using a telemarketing script. Through these calls, the lead generation company will identify certain characteristics of each consumer, such as age and income level, so that it can plan the sale to suit the target audience. When cold calling, it is important to be professional and smooth talk in a friendly manner. Be sure to mention the name of the person you are calling. Let them know how you can help them, and then end the call quickly. If you are going to cold call, make sure to use a script that includes the proper introduction and welcome, ask questions about the consumer's needs, inform the customer that you are interested in their business, and end the call by asking the right question to get the sale that relates to your business. To attract leads through content marketing, you will need to identify your target audience and provide them with specific information that they may be looking for. For instance, if you are a dentist in the Washington, D.C. area, you could write articles on various topics related to tooth care, like procedures, causes of tooth decay, and even specific orthodontic procedures, as well as dental insurance. You can publish these articles online, distribute the articles through email, and even submit them to article directories online. Lastly, lead generation usually involves contact information, which you will need to collect in one way or another. Typically, this involves creating an online lead generation account. With this account, you will set up email messages and possibly even website forms for collecting information from the consumer. You can also set up a website where consumers can sign up for free information and request a follow-up message. By following this lead generation method, you will generally receive responses within 2 to 4 weeks. Thanks for watching my video about the different types of lead generation. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.